work and dedication, you know. Pay off in the long run. Get to youth. That's all the head up high.
I may tell you, say, all the while this lady just have me a wash clothes, you know, and hope she knows me a Jamaican, you know. And all the while me I go do this, you know. Do some washing for babes, you know. Yeah. Clothes clean and thing. Yeah, man. Nice washing. Alright. Come on, I have to come a foreign and deal with, man. I wash clothes. Lord God. Boy, I don't want to have to them fast and see me, you know. Boy, I have to do it fast and left, you know, because I don't want to break them fast and see there I wash clothes, you know.
Maddie? Yes, Mom? Come here. Could you bring this to Chuck, please, and tell him to wash every bit of it for me?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, honey.
Go and wash them, you know. Yeah, man.
Truck.
Hello, good morning.
Mom said here are some clothes to be washed.
Again?
Yes.
Ah, boy. Again? Ah. Well, go on, put them in the bath, them still. Yeah. Drop in the bath. What is that she put in it? I work no money. Yo, man a bad man in a man that Jamaica man I wash them, yeah. I wash you deal with. Yo, after all, me don't go wash one more, you know. Me don't wash them there. Wash them and wash them there. How will you deal with?
Sis, like, I'm so tired of this whole Jamaican man thing.
I'm telling you, girl.
And I don't know why you choose to bring this man from Jamaica here, and you know about Jamaican men already, like, they ugh. I don't know why you want to go through all of this, so I'm going to tell you, you're going to have that nigga washing, cooking, cleaning, everything.
Yeah.
Because you're the one doing all the work. You go to work, and he just stay here. That's it. Like, what man do stuff like that? You come from Jamaica, and you just like, you come here, and I'm like, sis, what you doing tonight? You telling me, oh, I ain't going nowhere tonight because me and I don't even know what his name is.
Girl, I'm telling you, I bring him up here to just help me around, and he just want to go out all the time. Can you imagine? In my house, he wants to go out with all his friends.
So that's what I'm saying, Cassandra, like, why did you bring this guy here?
To help me out, but it's just not working.
Help you out do what? Because you already got your own stuff and you don't need him. Like, yeah, you probably need a man, but a Rasta man at it, like, ugh.
He was so good to me back in Jamaica. He was very good. He was nice. He was kind. He take me all over the place.
Oh, so that was the reason why you bring him here, and now he gonna be just laying up in there. It can't be like that.
I understand.
You give him money to go out to party, I don't know why, and you stay home. You don't go out with me no more, and you just be with that man. Like, I don't get it.
I understand, sis. So you know what, sis? I have something planned for him.
You do?
Yeah.
What is it?
I think I'm going to follow your advice, and I'm going to let him wash the place. He's going to do everything. He's going to mop the floor. He's going to sweep it out. I'm just tired of him, okay? So I'm going to take your advice.
You tired of him already? I don't know. Why you bring that man here from Jamaica?
Well, that's the reason why I have my sis to help me out.
Yes.
Hi, what's wrong with you?
Mom, Chuck is out there grumbling and acting like a bad man.
What? Come on, we're going out there.
Me no listen when them talk, that's why we rising, man. Fresh like the water we pump from the spring. Me no free, me salute because me want win.
Man, I plan for the future. Tired of the one pants, one shoes, yeah. Me no want see no more get a U-turn shooter. Me want elevate myself from walk foot to scooter. Man, I plan for the future. Tired of the one pants, one shoes, yeah. Me no want see no more ghetto youth on shooter. Me want elevate myself from walk foot to scooter.
Them jeep pull up on me girlfriend feet. Man fear tour city 7 days of the week. From me a little youth a grow me unique. Mama suffer too much now. Nah pre-taxi we pre-bus now. Hard it stop, yo it get tough now. Get the youth one rise and live out of the slum. Is there some way somehow?